So my papa, I'm just now noticing this. He has this not pristine. He has this really good condition Ford Ranger. I think it's a 95.
Yeah, what are you doing? Taking Papa's truck out?
Sorry, that was my uncle. He's cool. Headlights work. It is a 5-speed. It doesn't have low, unless it's down here somewhere. No low and no 4-wheel drive, as usual with a Ranger. I mean, most 90s Rangers have a 4-wheel drive. Let's move on to the passenger side. So yeah, it's not the best condition, but it's still in pretty good condition. So yeah. Some stuff, small little thing. It's got AC and heating, and I also think the AC works in it. I'm pretty sure the AC does work, but I can't crank it. Yeah, we had to replace the radio a long time ago because the old one went out. This thing, the old owner apparently traveled it halfway across the country. It's got crank windows, but they're very easy to crank because we used to have a truck with crank windows. So yeah. It was used for hauling hay, so. Gosh. That's messed up. But yeah, this thing could be restored to a brand new Ranger. Ranger XLT. We have this little doggy. She has fleas though. Don't know her name. She's a good little dog. So yeah. The truck.